Good evening, all of you guys. Today, video, it's a special video. It's gonna be a beach day. Well, look at the weather. Oh my god. I don't know if it's gonna be a good one, but I think the clouds are gonna be, God, hope they're gonna go away. So stay tuned. I have something special for all of you guys. Well, hello again. I made it to the beach. And I thought it's gonna be raining, and I said, please hope the rain goes away. But it's an amazing day. It's cloudy, but still great. And plus, you're probably gonna be able to see though. There's a lot of people flying. I forgot the name of those ones. Like, people flying. So here I am. Well, I'm not gonna finish all of this. I hope I can try, but I'll try. So let's try some cheese. I don't have any beach day picnic on the beach. So let's see. Cheers. Due to that, there's a lot of people here. A noise, windy. I'm gonna try to speak a little bit loud so you guys can hear me. And wait one second. Let me do that. Got my scent. Oh, wait. Yeah. All right. Those are not blueberries. They're blackberries. Blackberries. And I wasn't sure if it's gonna be raining or not. We have a lot of seaweed, lots of seaweed all over on the beach. Lots of seaweed. Normally, the people from Miami Beach they clean it, but today I guess they didn't clean it. We have a lovely day here. I don't think I can finish that. Today's video is gonna be different. So tell me, guys, how was your week? What do you guys do? Subscribe, like, comment, leave comments below. I'll be answering you guys. Cheese. Mozzarella white. Sauvignon. I really appreciate that. I thought the rain is not gonna stop, and I said, please, let the rain stop. And it's windy. It's windy. I'm gonna cut it out. It's supposed to be a very exotic fruit. Okay, that's the way you cut it. I clean it. I washed it. And be exotic. It's easy to take it out. Look how it looks. Actually, it's very good. So good. Sweet but sour. I don't know if it's ready to eat or not. I guess it's I really like it a lot. Comment down below if you guys like dragon fruit. I think the colors are amazing. As I think on the first video though that I recorded, I didn't bring any napkins. And someone comment down below like next time bring napkins. I know it was my first video. No, my second video. It was not easy for me to record circumstances and the video on the video. Mosquitoes, slime. Wow, this is so good. I like it. And some. I love the see the background. It's lovely. It's amazing. I want to show you guys a little bit of that. Usually, when it start raining, people let a little bit of the camera down for you guys to see the foot. Now it's just very windy, very windy. I have cherry tomatoes. It's so relaxing. The sound of the waves. It's amazing. Very nice. Very nice. I see it. I wasn't sure though if I know I'm gonna record video today. Stop. Rain again. Preparing everything. I had to move back. The rain. The beach wasn't like. Now, it's on this lovely place. Even though there's a lot of seaweed, but it's not. Oh my god, look at the people in the back. People who live near the beach, near lakes, I have the privilege to live here near the beach, 5 minutes away. And I'm so grateful. comfortable, so good to share with you guys. Number one, this wonderful city that I live in, and different places. I feel very comfortable sharing my food, places, things that I'm gonna do. I I feel great, and I want to thank all of you guys for subscribing to my channel. Comment down below, sharing. I really appreciate, and I hope you guys enjoy this lovely video. I'll be creating more content for you guys. A lot of food. I will continue to. Thank you guys. I want to share with you guys this lovely place. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my video. See you on the next video pretty soon. Cheers. Life is beautiful. And you guys can make it more beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful. The sound of the wave. How wonderful it is. That's amazing. And it's a pleasure for me to share with all of you guys. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos. Cheers again. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit it with a bell.